best penny stocks to buy on April 16th, 2026. Number one recommendation is Onfolio Holdings, stock symbol ONFO. It is up today 193% or $1.29, trading at $1.96. Since this morning, it already traded 163 million shares. Market cap for the company is $13 million. So this company is from packaged software sector. So basically they're writing, computer programs. So what can I tell you? I mean, I already spoke about this kind of trend several times, but let me just repeat it for people who didn't hear it. What happens is that we have a bunch of, I'm talking about several hundred software companies that are trading on a stock market, but their stock is in the gutter because, it's hard to write good software, quality software with lots of features. It requires a lot of programmers and, it's a kind of capital-intensive business. However, with introduction of AI, these companies are bringing in so-called AI coding agents, basically programmers that are robots. And suddenly these guys could now create software which is much cheaper, much better, and much more marketable and sellable than before. So I'm sure this company Onfolio Holdings is experiencing the same thing, and that's why it was trading around 50 cents for the last 6 months, and suddenly they're trading at $2, or just quadrupling in price in one day. So take a look. But this is the latest trend, and don't be surprised when more and more software companies are popping like this like crazy. So take a look. Next one is Mycem Incorporated, stock symbol MYSE. It is up today 130% or $1.87, trading at $3.33. Since this morning, it already traded 161 million shares. Market cap for the company is $14 million. And guess what? This is another company from packaged software sector. And pretty much the same exact story as the previous one. It was trading around $1.50 this time for the last 6 months. And obviously, it wasn't going anywhere. Software probably sucked. But suddenly, they're going crazy. I mean, they, basically more than double in one day. And I'm sure they probably released some kind of news saying that, oh yeah, we're going to use AI to do our stuff. We're going to make better products or whatever. I mean, you have to check it out and take a look. But I'm just saying that this is the latest trend. Like deadbeat software companies that nobody wanted on the stock market suddenly are becoming like stars of the day. So take a look. Next one is Real Messenger Corporation, another packaged software company. So it is up today 56% or $1.02, trading at $2.81. Since this morning, it already traded 11 million shares. Market cap for the company is $25 million. So I've been reporting about this company. I think a couple of days ago, they had their first crazy spike when they jumped from 50 cents to like $3 in a matter of like a day on a huge trading volume. I'm talking about hundreds of millions of shares. And then they couldn't sustain themselves, so they dropped from $3 to $2. But again, they're jumping again, and it's like another 66% today. So take a look. I have a feeling that, this software company is introducing some kind of AI into their business, and that's why everybody is going like crazy with them. So take a look. Next one is, guess what? Another software company. Zspace Incorporated, stock symbol ZSPC. It is up today 54% or 3 cents, trading only at 11 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 626 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company is $4 million. So this is like another deadbeat software company that suddenly is a star. Just 6 months ago, they were trading at $1.20. Then they collapsed all the way to like 5 cents. And, again, nobody was trading it, nobody cared about it, but something started to happen about 2 weeks ago. Out of nowhere, we started to receive trading volume into millions of shares, but finally, I guess they released some kind of news today, and the trading volume went to 626 million shares in the first like 2 hours since the market opened. So whatever news they released is something major, probably has to do with AI, and that's why the company, investors are going crazy. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, because guess what? If you pull the trigger right now at 10 cents a share, and this thing goes back to, let's say, $1.20, you could be looking at a 12 times earnings on this investment. So, or 1,200%. So take a look. Next one is Weiwu Technology Company Limited, stock symbol WNW. It is up today 36%, or $1.15, trading at $4.31. Since this morning, it already traded 11 million shares. Market cap of the company is only $3 million. So this company is from internet retail sector, but you could almost consider them as a software company, right? They do sell some product, but if it's only online, then it's kind of like a technology company. So, and guess what? This company is crazy. A month ago, they used to trade at $200 a share. Then something happened and they basically collapsed, like all the way to like a couple of bucks. So, and they were staying there for some time and nobody was really trading it, but apparently they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is up 37%. And actually it was, I think, up a little bit yesterday as well. But the most important thing is the trading volume, 11 million shares. This is a record trading volume for the company for the last 6 months. So which kind of tells you that the market is accepting this news that this company is generating with very positive attitude. So and this is exactly what we're looking for. So take a look at this company, because if you decide to pull the trigger at $4.36 and this thing goes back to its $200 a share, it was like $215, I think. You could make like a lot of money, like 50 times your money, because 50 by 4 is 200, okay? So take a look. Next one is Masimo Group, stock symbol MAMO. It is up today 31%, or 31 cents, trading at $1.31. Since this morning, it already traded 35 million shares. Market cap of the company is $55 million. So this company is actually from real estate development sector. And I'm not sure what's happening there. I can't probably blame it for AI, but who knows? Maybe they're in real estate of doing, data centers, right? But the main thing is that 4 months ago, they used to trade at $5.50. Then they collapsed all the way to like 50 cents. And in the last couple of sessions, I guess they start to release some kind of news, because out of nowhere, we have this trading volume of 30 million, 40 million shares. And the stock is rising. It went up today 31%, but I think it went up yesterday as well. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and maybe, buy it. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks, and you would always know what are the best penny stocks to buy. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.